So this was an existing building. There was a flood here 2-3 years back. So we gutted the entire place, started from scratch. We kept the shell of the building. From there, completely cleared out and started fresh.
If I need a chill place, can I just come chill?
You're more than welcome. So this is going to be a kind of lounge. The one we're in before with the fireplace is more like a family lounge, hang out with your family, loved ones that are residents in the home. This is effectively similar concept, but more somebody comes in while they're waiting to be seen, or somebody comes in for an interview or whatever it is. Sit down, sign in, sit down here, wait.
It's in New Jersey. New Jersey, you have enough room
You have
to build a
square footage,
building.
correct.
Just build a room for if you're waiting for somebody, you don't have what to do. Put a building, you know.
That's beautiful. So there's another entrance. That was another entrance, and this is the staff.
Got a bathroom.
This bathroom is the size of the lobby